Now stand still.
Feel it.
Feel the energy.
Integrate it.
Feel your body become more vibrant.
Alive.
Feel your body become alive.
Magnificent.
Feel that masculine, primal energy inside.
Flowing.
Build it.
Compounding.
Take a deep breath in. Stand still. Hold it. Feel it. Now I want you to leave that hologram there. Go ahead and step once again outside of it.
Leave the energy over there.
Take another step back.
That you created.
So you can see that hologram in front of you with all that powerful energy.
That visual representation.
Expanding, radiating.
Over there in front of you now.
Feel, put your hands up and literally feel the energy resonating off that image, that construct, that hologram. This new version of you. Begin to walk around it again. Think to yourself, what can be added? What new resource can you add to that? Think of it now.
Build it.
Is it more confidence?
Even better.
Is it more determination, more courage, more belief?
Create it.
Go ahead.
Design it.
Think to yourself, what is that?
Hypnotica.
Take a deep breath in and breathe that resource into you now.
Powerful.
Breathe. Breathe. Create that.
Yeah.
Build it.
Inside.
Feel it. And on the count of 3, you're going to step back into that hologram, combining it right back in. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Combine it.
Now.
All those energies merging within you.
Feel it.
Strengthen it now. Combine it.
Integrate it.
Integrate it now.
Synesthesia.
Breathe in deeply now. Feel that future you here now. The energy inside. Lock it in. Put it in that permanent place inside your perceptions. Let it circulate throughout your body. Feel it. Merge it. Expand it. Breathe in deeply. Take your hands. Raise them above your head. Breathe in. Feel the energies entering your hands. Being centered down through your breath. Into your lungs, up from your legs, from the heaven and the earth, combining them together. Feel the energy compounding, expanding, rearranging,
Increasing.
powerful
Connection.
image. You expand. Now,
Awareness.
integrate,
Conscious.
combine, activate,
Focus.
awareness,
Intentions.
action, movement, more adventure,
Expanding.
deepening, desire, now, grounded,
Here.
stronger,
Focused.
deeper,
Centered.
aware,
Present.
higher,
Inspiration.
bolder,
Adventure.
stronger.
Deeper.
You are
Powerful.
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 You
Are powerful.
are
Powerful. Breathe in deeply.
now.
Begin to integrate it
Begin to
even deeper.
slowly just
Now.
walk around the room, bringing this energy with you. Let your body integrate that back into your awareness.
Into your movements.
Just feel that now throughout your body,
Infusing.
integrating it into your reality now.
Amplifying your
Allow your perceptions
neurology.
to expand.
Activate it now.
Erase the old programming.
Increase
You can forget that now.
your
Delete it
awareness. Expanding your horizons.
and pay attention here now to the new energy, this new
Energy infusing.
activation of mind, activation of body, activation spirit, activation powerful.
Now.
Breathe in deeply.